everyone. Are you ready to challenge yourself, gain real world experience, and take your skills to the next level? Welcome to InnoDataTech's Innovate, Solve, Lead 3-month Industry Experience Internship program, a workshop and internship like no other. This isn't just any internship. It's a full immersion into solving real world problems using cutting edge technologies like machine learning and deep learning. Whether you're a student or an institution looking for hands on industry experience, this program is designed to elevate your industry knowledge and help you solve real world problems side by side with industry experts. Why join us? Let me tell you why. Over the next 3 months, you will work on projects from different domains like healthcare, manufacturing, retail, agriculture, logistics, and more, learning directly from industry. You'll be solving real business problems with the latest machine learning and deep learning techniques. Our program isn't just about learning, it's about doing, experiencing, and growing. The program is split into phases, each designed to progressively build your skills and confidence. The first phase kicks off with introductory training and hands-on exercises to give you a solid foundation in industry-specific knowledge. We then move into machine learning concepts with over 15 hours of focused training covering machine learning and deep learning techniques with tools like Python, scikit-learn, and cloud platforms like AWS and Azure that are required to address the problem at hand. Our training is project-based. You will develop models, tune them, deploy them, and present your findings just like you would in a real-world scenario. Imagine deploying an AI model into production, something most students only read about. Here you actually do it. And it's not just about technical knowledge. We'll help you sharpen your analytical skills, gain domain experience, and practice teamwork and communication. You'll be working alongside industry experts as mentors, guiding you throughout, sharing real-world insights that make a world of difference. Our internship isn't just a learning opportunity, it's a career launcher. By the end of the 3-month experience, you'll be equipped not only with hands-on skills in machine learning and data science, but you'll also have real practical projects on your resume. This could be the difference that make you stand out in a competitive job market. If you're ready to make a real impact, challenge yourself with real-world problems, and build an industry-ready skill set, then join us. Let's innovate, solve, and lead together. We look forward to have you on board. Watch out the space for more details. Thank you.